It is ready.
What's up, Chump Squad? Today we're doing the baking soda and vinegar challenge. For some reason, he doesn't want to do it.
I don't want to do it.
I want to. Here is your cup. Hey!
It's gone now.
Wait, let's pour the vinegar first.
Give it like up to there.
Holy, you're gonna drink that much?
I ain't drinking it. I'm just gonna put it in my mouth.
Where did you say?
I feel like this line here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's way too just exactly where I said.
Yeah! I love the smell of vinegar. Oh, I love it. You drinking it?
Oh, I love vinegar.
Me too. So how are we gonna do this? Who keeps it in their mouth the longest first wins?
Who keeps it in their mouth the longest first wins?
Is that right?
That made no sense. Who keeps it in their mouth the longest?
Who can keep it in their mouth the longest wins?
How about who spits farther?
No, we'll do that as a second challenge.
Oh god. Do we dump that in here and then drink
No,
it,
you
or do
put
we
this
just
in
put
your
that
mouth.
on your tongue?
Your turn.
What does this shit taste like?
Remember you had heartburn? I made you one?
Oh yeah, it tastes good.
I'm nervous.
You're always nervous.
Don't spit at the camera.
I'm spitting right for you guys.
Yay! Team Barbie.
Sucks.
Go. It went up my nose. Oh my god, it went right up my nose.
Oh.
I honestly think I got a high from that. I'm really lightheaded. Ooh, feeling really weird.
That sucked.
Yeah.
I couldn't hold it in. It was like my beard's full of vinegar.
Yum.
Lick it off.
No.
I'm packing it.
We're doing who can spit farther now.
Okay, ready?
I'm gonna win.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Ow!
I think you won. Oh, you won.
Oh, that's gross.
Oh, I think I hit exactly where you did. No, you just won. Again, I tied you and then you won. My makeup.
So that's your video for today.
Challenge. Chomp.
You got white shit all over your chin.
Ew.
And now we're just gonna waste the rest of our vinegar.
Ah, not on me. Oh, there's a wasp. Okay, what are we doing?
Dump it in and then I'm gonna put the lid on.
Oh
Ready?
my god.
I don't think there's enough vinegar left.
I don't want it to bomb on me. Okay, don't point it at me.
There wasn't enough vinegar left.
Didn't work.
We didn't have enough vinegar left.
But open it. This way. Not towards the camera.
Drink it.
No.
Oh.
You're gonna die.
Okay, we're out.
Bye.
My God, you're gonna choke yourself.
Wow.
What are you doing?
There's nothing even in there.
He's hogging the cup.